Hello, my name is Dexter Fitzpatrick. The career path that I decided to do my PowerPoint on and my paper was physical therapy. So I'm about to tell you about that. What is a physical therapist? A physical therapist is someone who diagnoses and treats people who have injuries, medical problems, or other health-related conditions that limit their ability to function and move properly in their daily lives. Physical therapists develop a recovery plan designed for each patient's specific needs and provide treatment and therapy that will improve movement and manage pain. And as you can look at the two pictures, you can see at the top picture you can see a physical therapist. Kind of looks like he's putting together, that plan that I talked to you about for your patient. And at the bottom picture, you can look like it's a man trying to help a elderly woman learn how to walk again. And I have a short video. Steps to becoming a physical therapist. First, you may earn a bachelor's degree in a health related field. Next, you must complete a doctor of physical therapy degree program. You must next meet your state license requirement, and you have two optional requirements. You can complete a residency and obtain board certification. The PT salary in California, that's where that's where I want to start my physical therapy career. The average annual pay for a physical therapist in California is $89,435 a year, while ZipRecruiter is seeing annual salaries as high as $135,245 and as low as $47,085. Most physical therapist salaries currently range between $74,634,000 to $97,175,000 in California. The demand of PT in California. The demand of physical therapy in California are pretty high. California is home of personal trainers, weightlifters, and all kind of athletes from all over the world. They may sometimes get injured or their bodies aren't feeling like themselves. That's when PT comes into play and it plays a huge role. And I have one last video. Here's my works cited page.